Hi, everybody. This is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guys. Today, I'll be talking about changing your Yahoo username. And I have good news and I have bad news about that. If this video helps, please take a moment to subscribe and like the video, and let's get started. Here I am in Yahoo Mail. I've been using this account for a long time, but there's an issue. Let's say that I wanted to change my username, which is ianlamont@yahoo.com, to something else. And the problem is I can't do it. If you go to Yahoo's help page, they say, well, you can't change your Yahoo ID or email address. Okay, so let's get that out there. You cannot change an existing Yahoo email address to another Yahoo email address, even if that particular alias is available. However, they also recommend that you can sign up for a new Yahoo Mail account, and there's something else you can do in Yahoo to basically connect the two accounts. And let's get into that right now. So go to your Yahoo Mail, click on Settings, click on More Settings, and then click on Mailboxes. So here's what I can do. This is my current email address, ianlamont@yahoo.com. If I want to, I can add a mailbox. And if you click on that, you can see Yahoo is one of the examples here. What this means is if you create a new Yahoo email address with a new username, you can check it from the old one, or vice versa. If you have a new Yahoo email address, you can check the old one by doing the add mailbox and then following the steps right here. However, there is one thing that you need to know. If you do not use a Yahoo email address for a certain period of time, I think it's 6 months or possibly a year, Yahoo will delete that particular account. And actually, that's what happened to me. I had another Yahoo account, feiwu1@yahoo.com. I used to check it from ianlamont@yahoo.com, and I could actually respond from it. So if somebody sent an email to feiwu1@yahoo.com, I could type a response in ianlamont@yahoo.com, but make it look like it was coming from feiwu1@yahoo.com. I didn't use this feiwu1@yahoo.com address, and eventually I lost that particular address. That's why it says not verified, because it no longer exists. So just keep that in mind. Switching your email address in Yahoo, there's a workaround, as I just described, but there's also some issues if you do not check in with the old address every now and then to let Yahoo know that you're still using it. For more information on how to get the most out of technology, we have a whole series of books, the In 30 Minutes Guides. If you go to in30minutes.com, you can see the books. Also, if this video helped you out, if you could like it and follow me on YouTube, that would be great. I appreciate your time, and I'll see you next time.